Hello guys, today I've got the JBL Xtreme 5 and I'm going to show you how to create your own equalizer preset. As you can see here, I've got our application. This application is called JBL Portable, and here you need to scroll down a little bit to the equalizer section. Scroll to the right and tap Custom. Now you can create your own custom preset. You can't actually save it to another one, custom 1, custom 2. You can't name it. It will be just saved to this custom preset. If you want to reset it, just tap this arrow in the top right corner. If you're ready, just tap here, back, and now you've got custom here. If you want to edit this custom, you can either just tap edit. And that's it. Goodbye.